Most popular and delicious waffles you should try. 1. The Belgian waffle. The Brussels waffle is what is most commonly known as the Belgian waffle in the United States. The Belgian waffle was introduced to the USA at the 1964 World's Fair in NYC by Maurice Vermersch as the Belgian waffle, since most Americans did not even know where Brussels was. 2. The Liège waffle. The Liège waffle is the other type of waffle that we can find in Belgium. The Liège waffle is heavier and above all its dough contains pearled sugar inside, which gives it an irresistible taste. Its dough is thicker. 3. The bubble or egg waffle. The bubble or egg waffle were introduced since the 1950s in the streets of Hong Kong. Made according to a specific recipe, these perfectly golden bubble waffles are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. In combination with a wide choice of sweet toppings such as ice cream, fruit, cookies or caramel, they are a popular snack, especially during the summer months. 4. The American waffle. Waffles were introduced to the United States in the 17th century when Dutch immigrants popularized them. They became common fare in the mining camps and tent towns that popped up during the American Gold Rush. And if rumors are to be believed, none other than Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States, was said to be a huge fan. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the video, please smash the like button, comment down below and share the video. It will help to grow the channel even faster. Don't forget to subscribe as well.